When preparing for air travel with your baby, it's crucial to pack essential items such as diapers, wipes, formula, and extra clothes. This ensures you're equipped to handle any situation that may arise during the journey. Additionally, organizing important documents like your baby's birth certificate and your flight tickets will facilitate a smoother experience at the airport and during check-in, saving you time and minimizing stress. When navigating the airport with your baby, arriving early is essential to avoid rushing through security and boarding. This extra time allows you to manage any unexpected issues and move through each checkpoint at a comfortable pace, reducing stress for both you and your baby. Using a baby carrier or stroller provides easier mobility, allowing you to navigate the airport with greater ease while keeping your hands free to manage other tasks. Ensuring onboard comfort for your baby is crucial during air travel. Bringing familiar items like favorite toys or blankets can provide a sense of security and comfort in an unfamiliar environment, helping your baby to feel at ease throughout the flight. Additionally, being mindful of feeding schedules is important to support your baby's routine and prevent discomfort. By maintaining awareness of when your baby needs to eat, you can plan feeding times accordingly, contributing to a more pleasant travel experience. Dealing with potential challenges during air travel with your baby is important for a smooth journey. It's essential to be prepared for ear discomfort that may occur during takeoff and landing. Offering a pacifier or breastfeeding can help alleviate this discomfort by equalizing the pressure in your baby's ears. In the event that your baby becomes fussy, staying calm and patient is key. Remaining composed and understanding can help to soothe your baby and alleviate any tension during the flight. Upon arrival and during layovers, taking breaks to soothe and entertain your baby is crucial. Allowing time for your baby to relax and play can help them stay content and happy during the journey. Additionally, staying flexible and adaptable to unexpected situations is important. Being prepared for potential changes and maintaining a positive attitude can significantly reduce stress and contribute to a successful and enjoyable travel experience.